Hi, my name is Professor Tony, and welcome to What's in the Kitchen with Certified Catastrophe. Today, we're gonna be making... Oh, hell no, we're not having this. Get out of here. No. These are my videos, not your guys's. Hi, and welcome back to another What's in the Kitchen with Certified Catastrophe. Today, we're gonna be learning how to make... peanut butter blossoms. The ingredients you're going to need for this recipe are sugar, wapa, peanut butter, wapa, Hershey Kisses, wapa, and eggs. You thought I was gonna do it, but I wasn't.
Don't forget a couple of mixing bowls so you can do your mixing.
Alright, so the first thing you want is 18 ounces of peanut butter. Now, we have a 28 ounce jar, so I'm just gonna go off my head. Don't matter.
I'd say that's enough peanut butter right there, partner.
Next, you're gonna want 1 1/4 cup of sugar. That's a lot of sugar. And last but not least, 2 eggs.
These nuts.
And then you gotta stir the living crap out of it. This one thick boy. That's a thick boy right there. Now get a cookie sheet or whatever you want to cook in. I ain't your daddy, so don't worry about it. Get some more sugar. You thought we were done with this stuff? Oh no, boy. We got a long way to go with this sugar stuff. You want another 1/2 cup of this sugar. Set it to the side. Then grab the cookie dough / peanut butter / whatever. Roll them into balls and throw them in the sugar and roll it in the sugar. By the way, did I mention something about sugar lately? I feel like that hasn't been established. And put it on your cooking sheet. Now before this procedure, make sure to wash your hands. I've seen what you do when you're alone. It's not pretty. Please, go do that now. Right now. I'm not kidding. It's disgusting. Go. Also, while you're doing this, it might be a good idea to set the oven a while. You want to set it to 325 degrees. these bad boys in there for 15 minutes. Make sure it's 15 minutes, because if you go any longer, you might burn your damn house down. And then, as soon as they're done, take them out. Then you immediately want to put the Hershey Kisses on. That's how you make peanut butter blossoms. Alright, let's try these delicious things before I end this video here. Pretty sure I have insulin diabetes and my blood sugar just went through the roof, but that's pretty good. A lot of sugar though. Subscribe for more. Next, you're gonna want a cup and 1/4 of sugar. Then roll your balls. And then as soon as they're done, it's just burying it. As soon as they're done, you're gonna want to pull them out of the oven. Oh, they are nowhere near done.